At the age of 25, Liam had about $500 left. At the end of every month. Not 10,000. Just 500. After rent. After groceries. After bills. That's all he had. Some months, even less. One day, his friend laughed and said, "Bro, $500. That's not going to change your life." Liam didn't argue. He didn't try to prove anything. He just started investing. Fast forward 20 years. Liam is sitting on over $500,000. No lottery. No crypto gamble. No overnight success. Same job. Same city. Same lifestyle. Only one difference. He started early. And here's the truth. Most people don't stay broke because they earn less. They stay broke because they never understand money. Or worse, they wait too long to start. So listen carefully, because this might be the moment that changes your financial future. In this video, I'll show you how a small monthly investment can turn into hundreds of thousands, even millions. The exact strategy smart investors use, without making it complicated, and how compounding can quietly build wealth in the background, while you live your life. And trust me, if you skip this video, you're not just skipping information. You might be delaying your financial freedom by years. Let's talk about the biggest lie people believe about money. We've all heard this. I'll start investing when I have more money. Sounds reasonable. Sounds safe. But it's wrong. Because by the time you finally feel ready, you've already lost your most valuable asset, time. Let me show you something simple. If you invest $500 every month, starting at age 25, at an average return of around 8 to 10%, in 20 years, you could have around $300,000 to $500,000. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you continue for 30 years, that number can cross $1 million. Same amount, same effort, only difference, time. But if you delay by just 10 years, you'll have to invest nearly double to reach the same result. Same goal, much harder journey. So be honest with yourself. What age did you start earning? And more importantly, when are you going to start investing? Because the real question isn't, how much should I invest? It's, how soon can I begin? Now let's talk about how to grow this money the smart way. Most beginners make one critical mistake. They put all their money in one place, one stock, one idea, one trend. That's not investing. That's gambling. Smart investors do something different. They diversify. Here's a simple way to think about it. Put a large portion into stable, large companies. These are consistent, reliable. Put another portion into mid-sized companies. These have growth potential. And a smaller portion into high-growth companies. More risk, but higher upside. This balance helps you grow your money steadily, without taking unnecessary risks. Because historically, large companies have returned around 8 to 10%, mid-sized companies slightly higher, and smaller companies can grow faster, but with more ups and downs. So when you combine them, you create a portfolio that is both stable and capable of growth. Let that sink in. This is not luck. This is strategy. And if you're still watching this, you're already ahead of most people. So take 1 second. hit like, and subscribe, because understanding money is one of the most valuable skills you can build. Now let's talk about the real magic. Compounding. At first, it feels slow, almost invisible. Year 1, nothing. Year 2, still slow. Year 5, you start noticing something. But then, something changes. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it grows faster, and faster, and faster. Your money starts earning returns, and those returns start earning more returns. That's when growth becomes exponential. And one day, you reach a point where your investments are generating income on their own. Not because you worked harder, but because your money did. That is the power of compounding. But let's be real for a moment. $1 million today will not feel the same 30 years from now because of inflation. It quietly, slowly reduces the value of your money, which means if your money is just sitting in a bank account, you are actually losing purchasing power. That's why you must stay invested, increase your contributions as your income grows, and avoid panic selling when the market drops, because markets go up and down, but over the long term, they tend to grow. Remember this: investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about not staying stuck forever. Let's bring it all together. Start early, even small amounts matter. Do not wait for the perfect time. Use a diversified approach. Trust the process of compounding. Stay consistent for years. Because in the end, wealth is not built by one big decision. It's built by small actions, repeated every single month. So here's your challenge. Start investing this month. Even if it's $100, even if it's $500, just start. Because years from now, you'll either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started earlier. The choice is yours. I'll see you in the next video.